new or new big picture. Okay, that is connecting the dots. It is written by Steve Jobs. Actually, he is not writer. It is the speech. It is the commencement speech given by Steve Jobs uh, to graduates of Stanford University in 2005. Let's see introduction of Steve Jobs. He born in 1955 and died in 2011. He was an American entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means businessman. Okay, business magnate. Business magnate means businessman who can do the business very well. That is business magnate. Okay, inventor and industrial designer. He is inventor. He used to invent new things and also industrial designer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, and co-founder of Apple Incorporated. Apple Incorporated, INC, Inc is given there. That is the short form of Incorporated. Means he was the chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple Incorporated. He was not only owner; there was a group of owners, and he was one of the co-founder of Apple Incorporated. Okay. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution. He was known as one of the pioneers. Pioneers means founder of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. 1970s and 1980s में जो भी माइक्रोकंप्यूटर का रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ उसके एक फाउंडर या पायनियर उनको कहा जाता है. So let's see lesson page number 62. Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. Okay, who is telling this story to us? It is speech that I told you. It is the speech given by Steve Jobs. And today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. Just 3 stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. That he want to tell us 3 stories, and from that first story is about connecting the dots. What is connecting the dots? That associate one idea to another idea to make a big picture or new big picture. Okay. So I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but the stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I really quit. Whenever the Steve Jobs was learning in the Reed College, he dropped out after the first 6 months. He dropped out after the first 6 months means discontinue or left. अगर किसी का कोई सब्जेक्ट रह जाता है तो वो कॉलेज कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता, कॉलेज से निकाला जाता है. That's why discontinue or left. He left or dropped out the Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I really quit. Before leaving the college, he dropped in, means he became a visitor, regularly visitor of college for 18 months. अगले 18 months तक वो कॉलेज को विजिट करते रहे. Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. Whenever today I look back, that I found that it was the best decision that I ever made. I could stop taking the required classes that I didn't interest me and begin dropping in on the ones that looked interesting. Then what he does? He could stop. He stopped to taking the required classes that didn't interest him, and he began to drop in and he begin to attend the lectures that he looked interesting. Okay. Now second paragraph. In margin, question is there. What did Steve Jobs do for 2 years after the joined Reed College? What did Steve Jobs do for 2 years after he joined Reed College? That answer is he stopped taking required classes that didn't interest on the ones that looking interesting. Okay. Now second paragraph. I didn't have a dorm room. Dorm room is hostel, dormitory. Okay. Dorm is dormitory, hostel. So he didn't have a hostel or any room in a hostel. So I slept on the floor in friend's room. So he used to sleep on the floor in friend's room. I returned Coke bottles for the 5 cent deposits to buy food with, and I would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. That all description tells us that he was poor. He used to return Coke bottles for the 5 cents deposit and to buy food. Means he was poor, so he cannot afford the food. So he used to return Coke bottles, and with that 5 cents he used to purchase his food. Then I would walk 7 miles across towns every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. He used to go in Hare Krishna temple to get the good meal. एक अच्छा खाना हफ्ते भर में पाने के लिए वीक में से एक दिन वो संडे को क्या करते थे, संडे नाइट को वो हरे कृष्णा टेम्पल को विजिट करते थे। जैसे कि आपको लंगर वगैरह पता होंगे, जैसे कि टेम्पल में खाना लोगों को खिलाते हैं और वहाँ का खाना उन्हें बहुत पसंद था, इसलिए वो एवरी संडे नाइट को क्या करते थे, हरे कृष्णा टेम्पल को विजिट करते थे। ओके, आई लव इट बिकॉज ही लव दैट फूड and much of what I stumble into by following my courtesy and intuition turn out to be priceless. And whatever I stumble into by following my courtesy and intuition means मन की आवाज, inner voice. Intuition means inner voice. Turn out to be priceless later on. जब मैं आज पीछे मुड़कर देखता हूँ तो तब मेरी वो जो मन की आवाज थी और जो मैंने कुछ किया है वो बहुत अनमोल साबित होता है। Here's one example. Why that all is priceless? अनमोल क्यों है? Because he has given one example here. Reed College offered perhaps the best calligraphy instruction in the country. Calligraphy means that is type of decorative handwriting, that is calligraphy. And Reed College offered perhaps the best calligraphy instruction in the country. Because I had to take calligraphy class, I learned about serifs and sans serifs, typefaces, about what makes great typography great. जो पहले से ग्रेट टाइपोग्राफी को और भी ग्रेट बना देते हैं और महान बना देते हैं, ऐसा सेरिफ एंड सैंस सेरिफ टाइपफेसेस मैंने सीखे। सेरिफ एंड सैंस सेरिफ क्या है, तो एक कंप्यूटर के फॉन्ट से अल्फाबेट के शेप्स, साइजेस वहाँ पे चेंज होते हैं, ऐसा एक फॉन्ट। ओके, कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज का एक फॉन्ट है, सेरिफ एंड सैंस सेरिफ कहा जाता है। तो वो वहाँ पे राइटर ने सीखा। I learned about serif and sans serif typefaces what makes great typography great, जो टाइपोग्राफी को और भी ग्रेट बना दिया। ऐसे serif and sans serif typefaces राइटर ने वहाँ पे सीखे, स्टीव जॉब्स ने वहाँ पे सीखे। टाइपोग्राफी, what is typography? The appearance of printed matter. Typography, appearance of printed matter. 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me. That whatever he learned, serif, sans serif, calligraphy, that now useful. 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh, that Mac computer we used to say, Macintosh computer, it all came back to me and we designed it all into the Mac. Whatever he learned in Reed College, that calligraphy, serif, sans serif typefaces, that all he used to design the Macintosh computer. If I had never dropped in on that course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces. रीड कॉलेज में नहीं जाता, ड्रॉप आउट होने के बाद में कॉलेज हमेशा के लिए छोड़ देता, तो मैक कंप्यूटर में या मैकिंटॉश कंप्यूटर में इतने सारे टाइपफेसेस आज ना होते। मतलब जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है, बस आप डॉट्स को कनेक्ट करना सीखो, एक आइडिया को दूसरे आइडिया से जोड़कर नया कुछ पिक्चर या उससे नया कुछ बनाना और करना सीखो। तो राइटर ने अगर वो ड्रॉप आउट हो गए थे कॉलेज से, तो तभी अगर उन्होंने कॉलेज जाना छोड़ दिया होता तो आज मैकिंटॉश कंप्यूटर में इतने सारे टाइपफेसेस नहीं होते। सो मैक वुड नेवर हैड मल्टीपल टाइपफेसेस। Now, next paragraph. And since Windows just copied Mac, it's likely no personal computer would have them. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward when I was in college, but it was very clear looking backward 10 years later. When Steve Jobs were in college, that was impossible to connect the dots. Means it was impossible. He never know that what happened in the future. So we say that it is impossible to connect the dots looking forward. But when I was in a but it was very clear looking backward 10 years later. 10 साल के बाद जब मैं अभी पीछे मुड़कर देख रहा हूँ तो it is looking very clear and it is very useful. It was very useful for me. 10 साल के बाद वो आज मुझे बहुत ही beneficial लग रहा है. Okay, now next. Page number 63. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. Right? He says that you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. Best you have to trust that. आपको विश्वास होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पर तो ये डॉट्स कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे और इससे मैं कुछ नया सीख पाऊंगा या कुछ नया हासिल कर सकूंगा. मैटर इज ओनली ट्रस्ट. सिर्फ हमें विश्वास होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट दैट द डॉट्स विल समहाउ कनेक्ट इन योर फ्यूचर. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट इन सम थिंग्स. व्हाट थिंग्स? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट इन? These are the things that your gut. Gut means courage and determination. Guts, courage and determination. Your courage, your determination, your willpower. You have to trust on your guts, your destiny, your life, your karma, and whatever. Okay, so you have to trust on yourself, on your guts, on your destiny, on your life, and your karma. Karma is the Hindi word used here, so it is the example of if any other language word used, that is the example of what we said that code mixing. It is the example of code mixing. This approach has never let me down and it has made all the difference in my life. This approach has never let me down and it has made all difference in my life. So I always trust on my words, on my destiny, on my life, and it never failed me. And because of this, all the difference is in my life. Okay. My second story is about love and loss. I found what I love to do early in life. Now second story. First story was about the connecting dots and whatever he is saying that you have to trust on your destiny, on your future, on your guts, on your karma. Okay, and always connect the dots looking forward. Sorry, cannot connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. जब जिंदगी में आप आगे चलने के बाद जब पीछे मुड़कर देखोगे तो आपको वो डॉट्स जोड़ते हुए दिखाई देंगे. So now second story we are going to learn here. My second story is about love and loss. I found what I love to do early in life. Steve Wozniak was his co-founder of Apple. So Woz Apple had grown from just the two of us in the garage into $2 billion कंपनी. एक गैरेज की या छोटे कंपनी की उन्होंने एक बड़ी कंपनी बना दी थी और उसका इनकम अभी $2 बिलियन में हो रहा था. That time he was only 20 years later, and then I got fired. And then he got fired. Got fired means lost the job. Got fired, lost the job. Then he lost his job. It was devastating. Devastating means causing severe shock, distress and grief. उन्हें बहुत दुख हुआ, शॉक भी मिला उनकी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा. Because he was the co-founder in that company, but he got fired. उन्हें काम से निकाला दिया गया या उनका काम छूट गया. तो that time he was shocked and surprised. But something slowly began to dawn on me. Began to become clear to me. जैसे समय बीतता गया कुछ चीजें उन्हें क्लियर दिखाई देने लगी. I still loved what I did, and so I decided to start over. I still love what I did. मैं जो कुछ कर रहा था वो मैं आज भी करना चाहता हूँ और उस चीज से मैं प्यार करता हूँ. वो करना मुझे बेहद पसंद है. आज भी मैं वो करना चाहता हूँ. So he decided to start again. He decided to start over. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being beginner again. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. During the next 5 years, I started another company named Pixar, and fell in love with an amazing woman who would become my wife. Then during next 5 years, he started his own company, that is Pixar, and he also fell in love with an amazing woman. Later on, she became his wife. Pixar is now the world's most successful animation studio. Apple bought next. So Pixar is the successful animation studio, and Apple bought next. I returned to Apple, and the technology we developed at next is at the heart of Apple's current renaissance. And Lauren and I have a wonderful family together. Lauren and I had a wonderful family together. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. उनका पुनर्जन्म हुआ, फिर से उन्होंने उसमें एक नई जान डाल दी. And then Lauren and I have a wonderful family together. Lauren is his wife. Lauren and I have a wonderful family together. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Sometimes life hit you in the head with a brick. Hit you in the head with brick means give a great shock suddenly. Sometimes life give you great shock suddenly. Don't lose faith, but you have to be courageous. Don't lose faith. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. So, be mad for your work. Whatever your aim, जो आपका aim है उसके लिए प्रयास करते रहो, कोशिश करते रहो. Don't lose your heart, don't lose your faith, and keep looking whatever you want to do. It was the second story that is about his company, that is Pixar, and that about his life partner. Okay, so second story is about love and loss. Now, third story. My third story is about death. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. About a year ago, means this speech is given in 2005. So, about a year ago, I was diagnosed with a cancer. My doctor advised me to go to home and get my affairs in So prepare to die. I live with that diagnosis all day. Whatever doctor diagnosed, I live with that thought all day that I am going to die within some days. Later that evening, I had a biopsy. Biopsy means remove some cells to find out disease. किसी व्यक्ति के शरीर में क्या डिसीज है वो जानने के लिए उसके शरीर में से कुछ सेल्स निकालना, दैट इज बायोप्सी. I turn out to be very rare form of pancreatic cancer that is curable with surgery, and he had pancreatic cancer that can be curable with a surgery. वो सर्जरी से ठीक किया जा सकता था. I had the surgery and I am fine now. तो उन्होंने उसकी सर्जरी करवा ली and now he is fine. This was the closest I have been to facing death, and I hope it's the closest I get for a few more decades. Having lived through it, I can now say this to you. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. So here he is saying important thing, or he is giving important message to us that your time is limited. Our life is very short. You have time limitation, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Okay, so don't be trapped by dogma. Dogma means belief or a set of belief held by group of organization which others are expected to accept without argument. किसी का कहना विदाउट किसी आर्गुमेंट से एक्सेप्ट करना से डॉगमा कहते हैं. सो डोंट बी trapped by dogma, which is living with the result of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out. Drown out मतलब दूसरों के विचारों को अपने विचारों पर हावी मत होने देना. So आपका क्या thinking है वो important है. So others' opinion drown out your own inner voice. आपकी inner voice सुनो, मन की आवाज सुनो. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Because your inner voice, your heart, know very well that what you truly want to do or what you truly want to become. Okay? Now, last paragraph. When I was young, there was an amazing publication called the Whole Earth Catalog. In the final issue, on the back cover, they put the photograph of early morning country road. Beneath it were the words. एक publication था और उस publication का नाम था The Whole Earth Catalog. And final issue on the back cover. Back cover पे या उसके पेज बुक के सबसे लास्ट पेज पे लिखा हुआ था बैक कवर पे, दे पुट अ फोटोग्राफ ऑफ अ अर्ली मॉर्निंग कंट्री रोड. अर्ली मॉर्निंग का एक पिक्चर वहाँ पे था और उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था बीनीथ इट वेयर द वर्ड्स स्टे हंग्री स्टे फुलिश. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टे हंग्री एंड स्टे फुलिश? दैट स्टे हंग्री मीन्स ऑलवेज कीप वांटिंग समथिंग मोर, समथिंग न्यू. Always keep wanting something more, something new. हमेशा कुछ नया करने की चाह रखो, हमेशा कुछ नया और कुछ ज़्यादा करने की चाह रखो. And stay foolish means always keep on open mind, never think you know everything. Means always grasp knowledge. ऐसा मत कभी सोचना कि मुझे सब आता है, मुझे कुछ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So always stay foolish means keep an open mind and never think that you know everything. मुझे सब आता है, I know everything, I have no need to learn any more things. So never do that. Always keep your mind open and never think that you know everything. Always grasp knowledge and learn new things. Okay, so this is the meaning of that words, that stay hungry and stay foolish. I was their farewell message. It was their farewell message as they signed off. जैसे बुक खत्म करते हुए उनका farewell message था that stay hungry, stay foolish. I have always wished that for myself. हमेशा वो मैसेज मैंने मेरे जीवन में हमेशा फॉलो किया है. I have always wished that for myself, and now as you graduate to begin anew. I wish that for you. Stay hungry, stay foolish. तो ये ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स को दिया हुआ स्पीच था। तो अब यार ग्रेजुएट हुए हो और अगर नई शुरुआत करने जा रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी की, तो मैं भी आपको यही मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ दैट स्टे हंग्री, स्टे फुलिश, बेस्ट योर जॉब्स. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson very well. Here is a list of 20 amazing life lessons we can all learn them from Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs ने दिए हुए 20 messages है that you have to know the meanings